Hey there, kids. Today, we're going to talk about a fruit that's small, sweet, and totally tropical, the lychee. Have you ever tried a juicy lychee? It's not just yummy, it's also packed with healthy nutrients. Let's dive in and discover why lychees are so good for you. First of all, lychees are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body stay strong by boosting your immune system, so you can fight off colds and stay healthy. In fact, just a few lychees can give you all the vitamin C you need for the day. So, when you snack on lychees, you're helping your body stay healthy and strong. Lychees are also a great source of antioxidants, like polyphenols and vitamin C, which help protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants are like little superheroes inside your body, fighting off harmful substances that can make you feel sick. Eating lychees can help keep your skin looking fresh and glowing, too. Another cool thing about lychees is that they're great for your heart. They contain potassium, which helps keep your heart beating properly and supports healthy blood pressure. The antioxidants in lychees also help keep your heart and blood vessels strong, making them a heart-healthy snack. Lychees are also packed with fiber, which helps your digestive system work smoothly. Fiber keeps your tummy happy by helping food move through your body the right way. If you ever have a stomach ache, eating lychees can help make things better and keep your digestive system running well. And here's something extra cool, lychees are full of water, which means they help keep you hydrated, especially on hot days. Eating lychees is a refreshing way to stay cool and hydrated when you're playing outside. So, kids, the next time you snack on a lychee, remember all the amazing things it's doing for your body. It's not just a tasty fruit, it's a super healthy treat that keeps your immune system, heart, and tummy happy. See you next time, and keep enjoying those lychees.